Hey everybody, this is Analia, and I'm going to walk you through a cool tool called Mentimeter. If you haven't seen presentations using Mentimeter before, this has built-in engagement strategies so that your PowerPoint presentation is a little bit more interactive for your students. And Mentimeter specifically focuses on some of those SEL components. So it has great ideas for check-ins with your students to gauge their engagement and find out what's working and what's not working for your teaching style. So I have 3 examples here of some reflection and closure activities that I've created. And I thought the easiest way to show you how Mentimeter works was to show you one of those presentations. So we're going to look at a student example first. This one is a weekly student reflection that just asks, hey, how are you doing? Do you agree or disagree with the amount of work that you're doing and how supported you feel at home? And so this particular activity lets students gauge where they are on that scale. So for the student view, if I present this, I would show the students these questions, and on their screen, it's actually going to show up with a little sliding metric so that they can slide each of these from a 1 to a 10 scale or whatever you want to set that up on. So I can decide whether this is a 0, my stress is manageable, or whether this is a 10, I agree or I disagree with this statement. On the teacher view, you're going to see the number of students who identify with each of those statements. Here's a second question that just says, what are your reflections for the week? And so this allows students to have an open-ended question that they can go in and type in a response to this question. Again, these are super easy to create. All I did to do this is I clicked add a slide, and you can select from a variety of already created question types. So it could be a multiple choice question, it could be a word cloud, it could be open-ended, it could be that scale version that I just showed you, ranking 1 through 4, 1 through 10, question and answer. You could also have a quiz competition. So you could have 5 or 6 different quiz questions like a Kahoot and have a winner at the end of who got the most correct. So great for pop quizzes. So this is just another great tool to use for assessment or reflection in class